Hello students and welcome to Edupedia World. My name is Shivam Mishra and today we are going to discuss the solutions to IIT JEE Advanced 2015 paper 1. The code which we are using is 4. Okay students, let us have a look at question number 15. Question number 15 is from inorganic chemistry. It says that the correct statement about Cr plus 2, that is chromium plus 2, and Mn plus 3 is R, and it is more than one correct type of question. Let us look at the options one by one. A option says that Cr plus 2 is a reducing agent. Now we all must know that the stable oxidation state for chromium is plus 3. Chromium is most stable in plus 3 oxidation state, and as in the above passage, in the above statement, we have Cr plus 2, so naturally it will have a tendency to get converted into Cr plus 3. Now there is an increase in oxidation number, so obviously it is itself getting oxidized, and if it is getting oxidized, obviously it is those species which themselves get oxidized act as reducing agent. So clearly A is going to be my correct answer. Now let me have a look at option B. Option B says that Mn3 plus is an oxidizing agent. Now the stable states for Mn are Mn plus 2 in acidic medium, alright, and Mn plus 4 in basic oblique neutral medium. Fine. But see, the medium has not been specified over here. So for a moment you might be forced to think that this is not very clear option, that it can act as a reducing, because Mn plus 3 can get converted into Mn plus 2 and Mn plus 3 can get converted into Mn plus 4, right? So it can act as a reducing as well as an oxidizing agent. But let me tell you that in a basic medium Mn plus 3 cannot exist, because if the medium is basic, it will form a precipitate of MnOH whole thrice. So this will be a PPT and the ion will not exist. Fine. So since it says that Mn3 plus is there, we can assume the medium to be acidic, and if the medium is acidic, Mn3 plus will have a natural tendency to get converted into Mn plus 2, and if it will be converted into Mn plus 2, there is a decrease in oxidation number. It will itself be reduced, and since it is itself reduced, it will act as an oxidizing agent. So clearly B is also going to be my answer. Let me have a look at C and D statements. C says that Cr plus 2 and Mn plus 3 exhibit D4 electronic configuration. Now this is a fairly simple one. You have reached up to the level of JEE Advanced, so obviously you must be knowing how to write the electronic configurations. Chromium neutral atom has a configuration of 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d5 and 4s1. So this is the configuration of neutral chromium. And manganese has a configuration, neutral atom is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d5 and 4s2. This is the configuration of neutral manganese atom. Now when I form Cr plus 2, obviously I will remove 2 electrons from outermost orbit. So clearly 1 electron will be removed from 4s1 and 1 from 3d5, so it will become 3d4. So it has a d4 configuration. Yes, it's correct. Mn plus 3, I have to remove 3 electrons. So these 2 electrons go from here and 1 electron is removed from here, so again it becomes 3d4. So both of them have d4 electronic configurations. Yes, my C is also correct. And finally when I come to option D, it says that when Cr plus 2 is used as a reducing agent, so Cr plus 2 is being used as a reducing agent, that means it is itself getting oxidized, and oxidation is loss of electrons. So we have just checked that Cr plus 2 had a D4 configuration, and obviously when it will lose electrons, it will change into a D3 configuration or something lower than that. Obviously it will not go to a D5 configuration because it is losing electrons, it is losing electrons, that is why it is getting oxidized, and that's how it is acting as a reducing agent. So D5 is completely out of picture, so D is not going to be my answer. Then the correct options are A, B and C. Those are my correct answers. Thank you.